Did you know there's a village where nobody locks their doors and nobody steals? It's true. And it's all because of one Hindu god. In the Indian state of Maharashtra, there's a village called Shani Shingnapur. All the houses in this village are built in a traditional style with wooden doors. But these doors have no locks and no bolts. Even the banks in this village don't lock their doors. Can you imagine? But why? To understand this, we need to go back to the mythology. In ancient India, there was a great war between the gods and the demons. The demons were led by a powerful king named Shani. He had the ability to bring darkness even during the day, and he would use this power to steal the sacred fire from the Hindu god Agni. Agni was very upset by this, so he went to the other gods for help. They all fought valiantly, but they couldn't defeat Shani. So finally, Agni went to the supreme god Shiva and asked him for help. Shiva appeared before Shani and told him to give back the sacred fire, but Shani refused. He challenged Shiva to a wrestling match. If Shiva won, he would get the fire back. But if Shani won, Shiva had to do whatever he asked for. Shiva accepted the challenge, but he warned Shani not to cheat. Now, Shani was a cunning demon. He tricked Shiva and made him lose the match. According to their bet, Shiva had to give Shani a boon. And Shani asked for another chance to fight. Shiva agreed, but this time he made sure that Shani wouldn't be able to cheat. As expected, Shiva won the match easily. He got the sacred fire back and threw Shani out of the heavens. But before throwing him out, Shiva realized that Shani wasn't just a powerful demon king, he was also a god of justice. From up above, Shani could see everything. He could see the good and the bad, the truth and the lies. And he would punish the liars and the cheaters. That is why people started to worship him as the god of justice. And his name became synonymous with honesty and truth. And that's why in the village of Shani Shingnapur, nobody locks their doors. They don't lock their doors because they know that if they do, they're admitting that they might steal. They don't want to admit that, not even to themselves. It's not just the villagers who follow this tradition. Even the police stations and the post offices in the village don't lock their doors. This is incredible India. So next time you're in India, make sure to visit this village and experience the honesty of the people. You can also visit other villages and small towns to see how different parts of India follow different religions and traditions. This was our story for today. If you like our stories, share this video with your friends and family. We'll be happy to hear what you think. Now leave a comment below. See you next time.